There you go.
Add about 1 cup of besan or black gram dal. Add about 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of chili powder, red chili powder, a pinch of asafoetida powder, about 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds, and mix it well. Add half a teaspoon of carom seeds. Pour 2 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter in it. Rub the ghee very well into the flour. Now add about 3 cups of hot water in it. Add little by little water. Make sure that too much water is not added, and knead it into a dough. Also, since the water is hot, try to use a spoon to mix it.
It's now formed. Let us go ahead. It's quite soft. Let us go ahead and make chakli out of it. Take a section of the dough and just roll it like so. Take a chakli maker. I'm going to use a star for the chakli. This. Wait. Close it like so. Did it hurt you?
Alright, now we'll go ahead and fry these chaklis.
You can see the sesame seeds are just popping out. There you go. Such crispy and delicious. Yum!
Well friends, I hope you will try this recipe and do let me know how it turned out. Please do subscribe to this channel and like this video if you for more recipes. Thank you so much for watching veenaskitchen.com. Enjoy this Diwali festival with this delicious Muruku. Have a great day. Bye.